TruKid Bubble Podz is an easy-to-use, no-mess, gentle bubble bath for sensitive skin. Made from plant-based ingredients using only 5 simple ingredients. This makes it safe and gentle for children with all skin types, and particularly those with sensitive skin. TruKid Bubble Podz is sustainable and helps to reduce plastic waste.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to drop this in. Nope. Just drop it in. And it should start to dissolve. There we go. I see bubbles. Bubbles are happening. Hooray! No. Sure. You want an extra bubbly bath? Yeah. All right. You can add 2 if you want your bath extra bubbly. So we just did. I added another one. Starting to see the bubbles here.
I like playing with bubbles.
Yeah, you like playing with the bubbles. That's right. And you got your swimsuit on. And we're just trying this out for today. Here I am with Rattlesnake. I'm giving him 2 pods to put in to make himself a nice all-natural bubble bath. They have a really strong lavender smell, so it makes the whole bathroom smell nice. Let's just drop them. Watch what happens. You put them in the water, and they dissolve.
Over here, it's like magic.
Yeah, it is. He dropped them in, and like 2 seconds later, we've got bubbles. Dude, pretty cool. It's soap, body wash, and bubble bath all in one. So no, you do not have to shampoo your hair. You do not have to soap yourself.
Oh my goodness.